Studio at home.
Hey everyone, I am Dani Smith and I'm an art instructor at Crystal Bridges Museum of American Art. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create an ooey gooey project at home called Oobleck using just a few ingredients you already have in your kitchen. Our messy project we're going to make today is inspired by Eat Meat, a cast aluminum sculpture made by artist Linda Banglis. Many of her artworks used gravity and motion to direct the final shape, and Oobleck does just that. To learn more about this artist and her artwork, click the link in the description below.
You can pause this video or scroll back to any step if you need to.
Oobleck is considered a non-Newtonian fluid because it's neither a liquid or a solid, but rather both at the same time. Crazy, right? The materials you will need to make Oobleck are cornstarch, water, food coloring, any color will do, a bowl, a measurement of 1 cup, and last but not least, a fork. Oobleck is a combination of 1 part water to 2 parts cornstarch. I'll be using 1 cup cornstarch, it's messy, and a half a cup of water. So to save on dishes, I'm just going to use the same measuring cup. So I'm going to do about half a cup, and then here's where you add your food coloring. So I'm going to do a couple drops. Ooh. Then I'm going to dump it slowly before you dump it all in. Dump just a little bit at a time. You might have to add more water or more cornstarch. Ooh, look at that. So just keep mixing. You'll know it's perfect when you can mold a ball in your hands, but then the moment you let it go, it just starts to melt. So I think mine might need a little bit more water. So let's add a little water. If it becomes too liquidy, just add more cornstarch. And if it's still too dry, just continue to add more water. Mix, mix, mix. So fun. You can make a variety of colors. If you have any plastic toys that you don't really care about, you can throw them on in with this Oobleck. They're really fun to watch. The Oobleck melt and morph around the toy. There's so many fun things you can do with this. The Dollar Tree has a lot of cool baskets or trays that you can buy to stick in the Oobleck. This is really fun outdoors. It's really good outdoors too, because if it gets messy, it doesn't matter. So Oobleck is messy, and to clean it up, don't put it down the sink. What you can do is just let it dry for a couple days, and then you can pop it out and throw it away in the trash. Or if you want to keep it, you can put it in a Ziploc baggie or a container like this and just put a lid on it, and it will stay good for a couple days. Thanks for making Oobleck with Crystal Bridges, and we'll see you next time. Ooh.